You're watching the Weiss channel. Okay, remember last week how we had an angle and we were looking for a side. For example, this is the opposite and this is the hypotenuse. So we said, since this is opposite and hypotenuse, that's sine. So we said, okay, sine 37 equals x over 9, opposite over hypotenuse. So x equals 9 sine 37. And that's how we found the answer to the length here. Today, however, we're going backwards. Today we're going to find the angle given two sides. Oh, okay. In this case, is 47 opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? 47
Opposite.
is opposite. And 50 is the hypotenuse. So which function is O and H? SOH, meaning we're going to use sine, right? So now, because we're going backwards and finding the angle, we're going to use what's called inverse sine. We're going to say inverse sine, which is sine -1. And on your calculator, all right, if this is the sine key, right above it, you're going to find sine to -1. That's inverse sine. So you'll have to hit shift sine in order to get inverse sine. So we're going to use inverse sine and we're going to do opposite over hypotenuse. 47 divided by 50. So if you hit inverse sine 47 divided by 50 and then equals, you should get 70.05 degrees. Right? If you're using a cell phone calculator or a calculator that doesn't allow you to do it like this, you'll hit 47 divided by 50 and then press equals, and then hit shift or second sine, and then you will have your 70.05. Those of you watching this video right now, please go ahead and pause to make sure you can get 70.05 degrees for this problem. Okay. Number 2, looking over here. Here is the angle we're looking for. Is 6 opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? Opposite. And 10 is adjacent. So which one is O and A? TOA. So that's tan, right? So we're going to use inverse tan. Inverse tan. And we're going to do 6 divided by 10. Please try that on your calculator. And if you do tan, inverse tan, 6 divided by 10, you should get 30.96 degrees. Please confirm on your calculator that you get 30.96 degrees. Okay? All right. Next one. Over here, we're looking for this angle. Okay. Is 41 opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse?
Adjacent.
It's adjacent, right? And 60 is the hypotenuse, right? Okay, because it's across from the right angle, right? So which one is A and H? Cosine, right? So cosine is A over H. So we're going to use inverse cosine. Inverse cosine, and we're going to do adjacent over hypotenuse. 41 over 60. Please try that on your calculator. Inverse cosine, 41 divided by 60, and you should get 46.89 degrees. Please confirm on your calculator that you get 46.89 degrees. Okay? Over here. Here's the angle we're looking for. 32, is that opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? Adjacent. And 52 is hypotenuse. Once again, that is going to be cosine, right? So we're going to use inverse cosine. Inverse cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. 32 divided by 52. Try that on your calculator and confirm, please, that you get 52 0.02 degrees. Okay? Over here, here's the angle we're looking for, is 18 opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse. Opposite. And 21 is adjacent.
Tan.
So that's tan. Very good, thank you. So we're going to use inverse tan. And we're going to do 18 divided by 21, opposite over adjacent. And when you do that on your calculator, please confirm that you get 40.60 degrees. Okay? Over here, from this angle is 4 opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse. Opposite. And 7 is the hypotenuse. O and H would be sine, so we're going to use inverse sine. 4 divided by 7. Okay. So when you do that on your calculator, please confirm that you get 34.84 degrees. That's how you do it. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Da 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 da.
Da da da.